Does my book have 159 coins? That's all right. Blow.
It holds a lot more pennies than this, but right now it's holding like 25 pennies. And yeah, so it's just an old container and it works.
This is my pontoon boat. My mom and my dad helped me. Let's see if it can hold 5 or more pennies. Let's see if it floats. So it floats. Right now I am at 20, so I'm going to keep going. 21. That's how many pennies my pontoon boat held. It held 21.
Hi! Me and my sister made a bow with a bottle. And, well, it's a Pepsi bottle, and we wrapped it in duct tape. Only that part, because just to make it a little fancy.
Yeah.
And we are putting 12 pennies in, so go ahead and put them in. Voila! It did it!
This is my piece. It's a boat, and I have 5 compartments with 1 penny in each compartment, and I have duct tape around the side so water won't get in. So this is my boat. We're gonna test it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is good. It works. Nazi. And this, we're gonna test it. Woo! We did it.
Hi, this is my boat, and it's made of popsicle sticks. My mom helped me with the hot glue gun, and we also made all the bottles, and so 2 rubber bands and a hair tie. Let's see if it fits.
And then here are my 5 pennies.
Hey everybody, I'm floating my boat today, and so I made it out of a Chinese carton and Powerade bottles, and I'm gonna float it right now. It's not very floaty. It's
This is our boat. What's happened is there's 2 cannons. There's a person about to walk the plank. This guy is being kidnapped. And finally, this guy is driving the boat.
Let's put their treasure in.
He's getting covered. Bye.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It can probably hold more than 5. I hope it can. So for my boat, I have a plastic cup and yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This is my boat that I made. We used duct tape. We put 5 pennies in a flag for decoration. And now we're going to test it. For 5 seconds. And it didn't flood. Yes.
So today I'm working with my mom, and I built the boat, and it had 18 pennies, but they fell into the crack on my other side. So, yeah.
Let's see if it floats.
It floats! Add more pennies. See? It floats.